Closing words. In closing, I hope you learned something useful towards marketing on Twitter, because that is the real secret to marketing. The only way to stay ahead in the industry is to know more than the next guy. If you want more visitors for your website or more sales, the only way to get them is with hard work. Nothing worth having ever came easy. It's an unfortunate truth. The silver lining is that most people aren't willing to put in the work. If you work as hard as it takes, the internet is a truly rewarding place to do business. Knowing how to generate traffic using Twitter is just one of the skills you will need. Taking everything you've learned today into consideration, you should now have a much broader knowledge of the Twitter platform. Your next step will be to venture out and find some of the big players with tons of interactions that are in your niche or market. Take the time to monitor their activity and take notes around what they do that causes the most buzz. Afterwards, you can begin formulating your game plan and marketing strategy for Twitter and your own business or brand. As a point, always try to monitor your progress and analytics, which Twitter now provides within the dashboard to help you out. Lastly, thank you so much for taking the time to go through this course. I wish you the best of luck on Twitter.